dinner parties, and dance parties, tough conversations, and laughter. Your family knows that your kitchen is the heart of your home. Our family does too. The RTA Store is a family-run cabinetry business founded on value, trust, and sincere customer service. We take pride in getting to know each customer and helping them design and create their dream space. It's why we offer professional design services. Our experienced designers help you and your family create the perfect space on your timeline. If you prefer to design on your own, you can use our 3D visualization tool from home. We've helped over 150,000 families get a great kitchen at an even better price. The RTA Store gives every family a place to come together and thrive. Let's make some family moments together. The RTA Store, supplying home cabinetry and creating family moments since 2009.